Hello everybody, this is Mr. Peter, and in today's physics class we're studying projectile motion. What is projectile motion? Projectile motion is the motion of an object or projectile thrown into the air, and this motion is affected by the acceleration due to gravity. The applications include a diver's motion of a diving board, fireworks, must have seen a lot of fireworks this Yuletide season, going up into the air, and the motion of any ball in sports. Those of us who played basketball, the motion to score is it follows a path. The basketball follows a path called a parabola. It's a two-dimensional motion in which there's a vertical component and there's a horizontal component of our initial velocity. Jump straight into it. Calculations in projectile motion are usually of two forms. So let's look at the way the first form, objects projected horizontally from a height. So it could be a tower, top of a tower, or top of a building. So the object is projected with a horizontal velocity, is projected horizontally. So this is a diagram showing the initial velocity in that horizontal direction. And of course, because of gravity, it's going to affect the vertical components. It's going to create a vertical, it's going to make the object to drop. So this is what the diagram looks like. So we're given maximum height and the horizontal distance. So it's like it's like a quadrant, half of a semicircle. So there are some facts we need to notice, we need to note down. So we notice the initial horizontal velocity u does not change throughout the object's trip. Initial horizontal velocity doesn't change, so it remains u doesn't change. However, the initial velocity, vertical velocity v, increases from 0 to v1 to v2. Why is this? Because of the acceleration due to gravity, which only acts in the vertical direction. So the ball, there's a vertical component due to the acceleration due to gravity, so it accelerates from 0 to, it begins to increase to v1 to v2. So we're going to look at an example that would illustrate these concepts about projectile. So example 1, a ball is projected horizontally from a height of 20 meters above the ground with an initial velocity of 0.4 meters per second. Calculate the horizontal distance moved by the ball before hitting the ground. Take our acceleration to gravity as 10 meters per second squared. So you can imagine the diagram of this question. The ball is projected horizontally from a height of 20 meters. So this could be the height of 20 meters. It's projected horizontally. With the initial velocity of 0.4 meters per second. So our u in this case is 0.4 meters per second. So calculate the horizontal distance moved by the ball. So this is the horizontal distance.